In this video, I'm going to discuss why I believe influencer marketing is dying. So let's get into this video. Alright, what is going on, guys? It's Sebastian, Esqueda here with you, and I'm going to discuss basically why, when you're Shopify dropshipping, why I believe Instagram influencers are coming to an end. Now, I'm saying Instagram influencers. I'm not saying influencer marketing in general. I'm just saying Instagram. And overall, in general, I believe it is going to crap, and I'm going to explain completely why and have logical reasoning behind this. So, as you guys know, everyone and their mom, when they hear about, oh, make money online, dropshipping, they're like, oh my god, that's such a great idea. It must be so simple. And they all begin to start their own stores. So I have friends who run huge accounts. I'm talking 1 million followers, 2 million, 3 million, 4 million. I think 4 million or close to 4 million is the biggest account I know. And people who actually know of who they actually are as a person. And I know for a fact a lot of these big influencers now, instead of selling ads to us, they still are, but they are leveraging their own accounts with their own Shopify store. So what does this mean for us as marketers that aren't in the big Instagram development stage where we don't grow big pages like that? We're just the users who want to market on pages. Well, when we pay someone to run ads on their account, they may not post at the right time. They may save that time for them, or they may not post your link or stuff like that, and they may not do certain things that have you succeed as much as you potentially can, because they're saving that for themselves. Now, I know that sounds, like a theory, like a big old potential thing that's not really, it may not even be true, but I am seeing it happening because I see a ton of big influencers are starting their own pages. I've had big influencers reach out to me and ask me to help them start a store and stuff like that, just because they realize the benefits. And so I see it happening. So I truly believe within the next few months, influencer marketing is going to be one of those things that you can still tap into, but you kind of have to pick and choose which ones you're going to work with. It's not going to be as abundant as it normally is, and the simple reason is people are becoming aware. Self-awareness is something that as humans we obviously can comprehend and understand trends and stuff like that. It's just in our genes to understand that when something is happening and people are doing a certain thing and they want to pay someone money, that if I were to ask someone to post an ad for me for $200, I'm not offering them $200 so they can just profit and I'm gonna lose money. I'm paying them because I see more value in paying them to actually promote my product, because in turn I believe that I'll make more money from that. A lot of Instagram accounts are becoming aware of that, so now they're like, oh, well, I don't really need to sell ads, I can just sell my own products. Why make $200 a day on ads when I can make $5,000 a day off of my audience? So that's something that's really going around and happening right now. I've seen it happen many times. Again, I've had influencers where I've reached out and trying to post ads on their account, and then they're like, hey, can you help me start a Shopify dropshipping store, or where'd you learn, and stuff like that. And it kind of sucks, but obviously they can get their piece of the cake. It's not really too big of a deal, but I just think it's kind of interesting to see happen. It's something that I'm not really too worried about because I have influencers that I work with that I'm content with working with and that are doing well, so I'm not really too worried about that. But I just think it's something that kind of you guys should understand, because what does this mean for the market? This means we're going to need to go into a more paid ad kind of way, like into a new paid ad era where we're just spending a ton of money on paid ads rather than influencer posts. Now, influencer posts are great. Influencer marketing is huge, but on a small scale like we're doing, it's not going to be that effective anymore. Now, there are a ton of huge companies still working with influencers all across the platform, on all social platforms, but they are paying them insane amounts of money to incentivize the heck out of them, and their companies are widely developed to the point where the influencers themselves couldn't really develop the products and stuff like that. Like there are Fortnite players who are paid by EA Sports and stuff like that to promote their stuff, and I just see it all the time. And Rice Gum was paid by Monster to do ads and stuff. So influencer marketing in general is not dying at all. I'm just completely saying dropshipping and marketing with influencers on Instagram or Twitter even is becoming hard to do, just because the fact that influencers are becoming self-aware that we can, oh hey, if I have 1 million followers and I can make $2,000 a day on my Shopify store rather than making $100 or $200 a day on my influencer selling ads what would I rather do? Obviously, making my own store may take a little time, but it'd be worth it because then he wouldn't have to deal with like setting up ads for other people and posting them for them. He could just do it all himself and collect the profits himself. So this is something I've been seeing. Again, I have seen it happen, and I'm watching all these influencers start up their own stores now, and it's really interesting to see. So I don't think this should be something that lets you guys down at all or says, oh, well, all right, I guess I shouldn't start dropshipping. No, you definitely should. I think it's a great business. I am hopping in a new store right now that is launching. It was gonna launch today, but the influencer that I'm using decided he wants to post the ad tomorrow, so we are launching tomorrow, I guess, which is completely fine. I'm not really too freaked out about it. I'm not needing cash right now. I'm in a good position, so that's not a big deal, but I'm super excited for that, and I will keep you guys posted with that on my Instagram at Sebastian Esqueda with 2 A's at the end. Link will be in the description for that, but hope you guys all enjoyed. If you did, smash the like button and subscribe if you are new to this channel. And if you guys haven't signed up for Shopify ever or anything like that, what the heck are you doing? If you're an entrepreneur, why have you not dropshipped before? Well, there's a link in the description if you want to sign up. So other than that, hope you guys all enjoy, and I will see you guys in the next video, hopefully, if you guys have subscribed. So peace out.